and welcome back, boys and girls, to Fun Story Factory time. Are you enjoying all the books? Are you having a look at them all? You know, if your mummy and daddies give you an iPad when you're at dinner, you know you could log on to Fun Story Factory and listen to a lovely story while the grown-ups are talking. That would be fun, wouldn't it? So today we've got Petey the Pirate's Biggest Adventure, and it's written by Jamie Irving. And the money from the sales of this book is going to go to Great Ormond Street, and that's going to help a lot of sick children. So why don't you enjoy this book? Let me know, like and subscribe on Fun Story Factory, and buy this book. Shall we begin? Petey was a portly pirate, 2 decades past his prime. He lived a life of love and laughter, never committing a crime. He was a pirate for good, the Robin Hood of the sea, known all over the world for singing in the breeze. He had the voice of an angel, which saved many a man. He became a legend from England to Japan. Petey the Pirate is sailing in his boat. Can you see the big waves? Can you see his pirate flag? And look, there are mermaids he's going past. And he's waving. He's even wearing a mask over his eye. Can you spot that? Petey was always happiest sailing around the ocean, finding buried treasure and causing a commotion. But Petey's life on the seas was always set to end. He knew that love was his true ambition, to find a special friend. Do you have a special friend? Do you want to write and tell me who is your special friend? Can you spot Petey looking through his monocular? He's looking at an island, isn't he? Can you see what he's wearing? The big red and white striped shirt. It's what pirates like to wear, don't they? Amongst his happy tunes, he used to sing sadly in the private lagoon. True love is the treasure I desire. I hope I meet someone to raise my spirits higher. I want a first mate, not a pointless date, and to sail the seas together. In that pirate lagoon, they're all waving it to each other, aren't they? They're having a lot of fun. Can you see? Do you think he's going to find one? Should we carry on reading? He'd spent years alone with his ship as his homemaking friends wherever he went. He would sing them a tune and they would all swoon, but love would never present. He spent time wondering why and looking up to the sky, only to sing out again. True love is the treasure I desire. I hope I meet someone to raise my spirits higher. I want a first mate, not a pointless date, and to sail the seas together. Again he pulled up to shore, saying, "Show me my one, I implore." But the girls he found left him wanting to further explore. It just didn't feel right. Petey was destined to be alone for another night. Back on his ship, he wondered where was the next stop on his trip. He sang, "True love is the treasure I desire. I hope I meet someone to raise my spirits higher. I want a first mate, not a pointless date, and to sail the seas together." Early the next morning, Petey went off exploring to find what his heart desired. He set up shop on the island of Mop. He sang to the locals and took the eye of the showgirls, but sadly he wasn't in luck. True love still escaped him, so he set out to see his friend Jim. As he sailed along, he sang his sad song. "True love is the treasure I desire. I hope I meet someone to raise my spirits higher. I want a first mate, not a pointless date, and to sail the seas together." When he arrived, he had tears in his eyes, but Jim was the best surprise. They had lunch together and sheltered from the weather. They laughed so hard, Petey was caught off guard. He realised Jim was the one he held in such high regard. Can you see Petey and Jim laughing? They are so happy to be together. Can you see the fire and all the food they've got ready to put on the fire? They're having a lovely time. Isn't it wonderful that they found each other? He found his first mate. Was this really fate? How could he have never known? One thing was for sure. This was where he felt most secure. Can you see Jim putting an arm around Petey? That's the most important thing, to be happy with your partner. Now all over the land, you can hear Jim and Petey singing hand in hand. Their voices causing commotion across the ocean. They sang, "In the changing weather, we found true love together." Not everyone can relate, but we're each other's first mate and sail the sea together. So they found true love, haven't they? And they're so happy. Isn't that wonderful? It's a lovely story for Jim and Petey, and it's a happy ending. Now they're really happy, sailing the ocean together. What a wonderful end to the story. Not only is this book really special, but it's also a colouring book. Have you seen my colouring in that I've done for the other books when I make it go really fast? I think I'm going to do something with this book. Now, if you get this book and you buy it, you'll be giving a lot of money, remember, to Great Ormond Street Hospital, which is a fantastic hospital for lots of sick children, and it will help them get lots more equipment and lots more medicine. So hurry up and buy one. See you soon. Hope you enjoyed this story. Many more are coming soon. Bye-bye.